Hello everyone. November 19th, we've had a couple of weeks of solid rain, and then it came through and we had 2 days of freezing, and it's in the high 30s every night. Tumeric's dying back, but they're forecasting some more rain, and I don't want this stuff to rot, so I'm going to cut in it and we're going to find out what's in here. I've never had plants get this big before, so I'm hopeful that means there's some good roots. Okay, I've thinned everything, gotten everything out of here. So I'm going to dig down around and see what we have. Well, there's the start. Gonna need a little help to get that out of there. Let's see if this fork here will help us a little bit. Wow, got some good roots. I don't know if there's any tubers, but there's a lot of roots. Alright, time for the water hose. Alright, see what the water hose will show us here. Alright, and I'll be back when I get it all washed off. I've been washing this for what seems like forever. You can see my area here, and you've got to see this to believe it. Look at the amounts of turmeric we've got coming out of here. If I understand correctly, what I'm supposed to do now is soak this for a while, and then wash it some more to try and loosen up more of the dirt. But the turmeric coming out of here is just hard to imagine. I mean, I've grown this years before in containers, and we didn't get this little tiny little bit right here. Look at this in this pot. Look at all the turmeric. So we're going to soak this, wash it some more, and eventually I'll be able to show you what it looks like all cleaned up. Turmeric, northeast of Atlanta, Zone 7. It worked this year. Thank you for watching.